Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Rio resorts seeing an increase in visitors to the resort since Latam Airlines resumed flights to Jamaica. Now the tourism industry in Jamaica is doing very well. The one thing that's slowing down the growth of tourism in Jamaica is flights to Jamaica. Now, Jamaica used to have its national airline, Air Jamaica, that used to fly all over and had major gateways in most of the major cities. But it closed down. And as a result of that, Jamaica has to rely on other airlines to bring passengers to Jamaica. Now, every day or every week you hear about new routes coming to Jamaica because Jamaica is in demand. Tourists want to come, hotels are going up. The only thing slowing it down is air travel to Jamaica. So Latam Airlines, which flies out of Peru in Latin America or South America, indicated that they are going to start daily flights or they're going to start flights from Peru to the Sangster International Airport. And they started flying in December. And Rio is reporting double-digit increases in tourists coming from Peru. So can you imagine as Jamaica keeps growing and more airlines coming, how many more tourists are going to come to Jamaica? And it also brings up a very important question. Is it time for Jamaica to restart Air Jamaica? Is it time for Jamaica to have a national airline again? Leave your comments about that in the section below. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening with Latam Airlines. The resumption of flights between Lima, Peru and Montego Bay, Jamaica by Latam Airlines in December has had a significant positive impact on Rio Resorts, Jamaica. According to the Director of Sales at Rio Resorts, Jamaica, the increase in seat capacity from Latin American markets has greatly improved the accessibility of their resorts to Latin American travelers. Here are some key takeaways from the recent developments. The Latam Airlines flight have facilitated better connectivity between Latin America, particularly Peru and Jamaica. This increased access has led to a noticeable growth in bookings at Rio Resorts. So as a result, there is an increased market share from Latin America. Sales from Latin America have significantly increased, with some properties seeing growth in double digits and even triple-digit percentage range year over year since the new flights began in December. Argentina is highlighted as one of the primary markets for the resort chain. With many Spanish-speaking staff across their properties, Rio ensures that their Latin American guests feel comfortable at home during their stay. The resort offers an authentic Jamaican experience, including reggae music, Caribbean cuisine, and local fruits, all of which appeals to Latin American visitors looking for a mix of relaxation and cultural immersion. To cater specifically to the taste of Latin American travelers, Rio Resorts Jamaica features Latin-themed shows, particularly for guests from the region. Those special events, including weekly Latin shows, ensure that the guests feel even more at home enjoying familiar cultural entertainment while abroad. The increased Latin American clientele is helping boost occupancy rates and overall sales at the 7 Rio properties in Jamaica. The resort chain is not only benefiting from direct tourism growth, but also cultivating a strong reputation with Latin American markets. By appealing to the cultural needs and preference of their guests, Rio Resorts Jamaica continues to enhance its appeal as a top Caribbean destination for travelers from Latin America. The resumption of Latam Airlines flights to Montego Bay has proven to be a game changer for Rio Resorts Jamaica, allowing them to tap into the Latin American market more effectively. With tailored services, cultural experiences, and increased flight accessibility, the resorts have seen substantial growth in bookings from countries like Argentina and Peru. This strategic shift not only benefits the resort but also contributes to Jamaica's tourism economy, solidifying it as a leading Caribbean destination. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.